Public opinion data plays a crucial role in American politics, shaping policy decisions, elections, and political strategies. Understanding how to evaluate public opinion data requires analyzing polling methods, question wording, sampling techniques, and potential biases. Public opinion refers to the collective attitudes and beliefs of individuals on political issues, policies, institutions, and candidates. Polling is the primary method used to measure public opinion. Key aspects of public opinion include saliency, which is how important an issue is to a particular group of people, intensity, or how strongly people feel about an issue, and stability, which refers to how much public opinion changes over time. Methods of conducting public opinion polls include various types of polls. Benchmark polls are used early in a campaign to measure initial support for a candidate or policy. Tracking polls are conducted repeatedly over time to track changes in public opinion. Entrance and exit polls are conducted at polling places to predict election results and understand voter behavior. Push polls are often misleading and designed to influence rather than measure public opinion. Lastly, straw polls are informal surveys used to gauge opinion but lack scientific reliability. Key aspects of polling accuracy involve several important factors. Sampling techniques such as random sampling, where every individual has an equal chance of being selected, help reduce bias. Stratified sampling divides the population into subgroups or strata to ensure representation. The margin of error, or MOE, is a measure of accuracy. A lower MOE means a more reliable poll. Additionally, question wording and order are crucial. Neutral wording avoids leading or loaded questions, while double-barreled questions, which ask two questions in one, can confuse respondents. Priming and framing effects, or the way questions are ordered, can also influence responses. Polling methodology is crucial to understanding public opinion. Phone polls often have lower response rates due to caller ID screening. Online polls, on the other hand, can suffer from self-selection bias. In-person polls, while more in-depth, can be quite costly. Interpreting poll data involves understanding two key concepts: reliability and validity. Reliability refers to the consistency of poll results over time. On the other hand, validity is about whether the poll accurately measures what it intends to measure. Recognizing bias in polls is also crucial. Selection bias occurs when certain groups are underrepresented. Response bias happens when people answer inaccurately due to social desirability. Lastly, house effects refer to the tendency of some polling organizations to consistently favor one political party. When reading poll results, consider the sample size. A larger sample size increases accuracy. Also, look at the demographic breakdown to determine representation across different groups. Lastly, the confidence level is important. Typically, polls use a 95% confidence level. Public opinion plays a significant role in policy making. Politicians use polls to shape campaign strategies and policy decisions. Media and interest groups influence public opinion through agenda setting and framing. However, public opinion does not always align with government actions, as elected officials may prioritize long-term policy goals over short-term public sentiment. Measuring public opinion comes with several challenges. Low response rates are common, as many people refuse to participate in polls. Social desirability bias means respondents may give answers they think are socially acceptable. Additionally, public opinion can shift quickly due to major events or media influence. In summary, evaluating public opinion data requires understanding polling methods, biases, and interpretation techniques. While polls provide valuable insights into public attitudes, they should be analyzed critically to ensure accuracy and reliability in influencing policy and elections.